Hello, Booster Beast here with yet another Pokemon video. Today we got Dollar Tree Cosmic Eclipse. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Looking forward to that Shining Fates. Hopefully we get some more. I'm also hoping to get some Champion's Path, Hidden Fates, maybe some more Evolution. So that is what we're hoping for. Evolution, Champion's Path, and Hidden Fates. I don't think we've ever opened anything on any of that on the channel, so hopefully we get some. Okay, first Dollar Tree pack we got Rufflet. Did we actually get a rare? Nice. Entry. And then we got a Absol. So if you notice, the Dollar Tree packs are only 3 cards. You're not guaranteed a rare, and you don't get a code card. So that is the downside, but then again, they only cost $1 plus tax. So let's see what we get. A Natu, how do you do? A Trapinch, and a Zangoose. If you do get a rare, it'll be the metal card, just so you know. Trapinch, Oddish, and Roller Skater. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. This video has been brought to you by your boy, Booster Beast. Bye-bye.